When starting a profitable nature tour business, the first step is identifying your niche. Think about what excites you the most. Are you passionate about wildlife? Maybe you want to lead tours focused on bird watching, where you can share your knowledge about different species and their habitats. Eco-hikes are another great option, appealing to those who want to connect with nature while learning about conservation. Each niche has its unique audience and potential for profitability. Once you've pinpointed your niche, it's time to research your target audience. Who are they? What do they value? For instance, if you're focusing on eco-hikes, your audience may consist of environmentally conscious individuals who are eager to learn about sustainable practices. Conduct surveys, engage in online forums, or even host focus groups to gather insights. Understanding your audience's preferences will help you tailor your tours to meet their expectations and enhance their experience. Next, let's talk about setting up a business model. This involves determining your pricing strategy and potential partnerships. Pricing can vary widely based on your niche, location, and the experience you offer. For example, if you're leading specialized birdwatching tours, you might charge a premium for small group sizes and expert guidance. Consider partnering with local businesses, such as hotels or restaurants, to create package deals. This not only enhances your offerings, but also expands your reach through their customer base. Now let's discuss the essential skills and certifications you might need. First and foremost, strong communication skills are vital. You'll be sharing knowledge and engaging with your clients, so being able to convey information clearly and enthusiastically is key. Additionally, consider obtaining certifications in first aid and CPR. These not only ensure the safety of your clients, but also build trust in your professionalism. If you're focusing on wildlife tours, having a background in biology or ecology can be a significant advantage, allowing you to provide in-depth insights. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of storytelling. People remember experiences, not just facts. Craft narratives around the places you visit, the wildlife you encounter, and the conservation efforts in the area. This emotional connection can turn a simple tour into a memorable adventure that clients will rave about. In summary, building a profitable nature tour business requires careful planning and a deep understanding of your niche and audience. By setting a solid business model and honing essential skills, you can create enriching experiences that not only benefit your clients, but also contribute positively to the environment. Designing memorable and sustainable nature tour experiences requires a thoughtful approach that balances engagement, profit, and environmental responsibility. Imagine walking through a lush forest, the sun filtering through the leaves, and a guide sharing a captivating story about the ecosystem around you. This is where storytelling becomes a powerful tool. It's not just about showing the sights. It's about weaving narratives that connect visitors to the land, its history, and its inhabitants. For instance, instead of merely pointing out a rare bird, a guide might share a local legend about that bird, creating a deeper emotional connection. Interaction is another key element. Encourage guests to participate in activities that foster a sense of stewardship. This could be as simple as a guided nature scavenger hunt or as involved as a tree planting initiative. When visitors actively engage, they're more likely to remember their experience and feel a sense of responsibility toward preserving the environment. Balancing profit with sustainability can be challenging, but it's essential. One effective strategy is to offer tiered pricing for different levels of engagement. For example, a basic tour might cover the highlights, while a premium option includes hands-on activities like wildlife tracking or conservation workshops. This not only generates revenue, but also enhances the visitor experience, making them feel like they're part of something meaningful. Collaboration with local communities is crucial. Partnering with indigenous groups or local artisans can enrich the tour experience while ensuring that the benefits of tourism flow back into the community. Imagine a tour that includes a cooking class featuring traditional recipes or a craft workshop led by local artisans. This not only supports the local economy, but also provides visitors with a unique, authentic experience that they can't find anywhere else. Applying eco-friendly practices is non-negotiable. Start with waste management. Encourage guests to bring reusable water bottles and provide refill stations. Implement a leave no trace policy, educating visitors on how to minimize their impact. Reducing plastic use is also vital. Consider offering biodegradable or compostable materials for any food or drinks provided during the tour. Practical examples abound. Look at successful ecotourism companies that have implemented these strategies. For instance, a tour operator in Costa Rica offers a rainforest canopy tour that includes a commitment to reforestation. They engage visitors in planting trees, which not only offsets their carbon footprint but also creates lasting memories for participants. Remember, the goal is to create experiences that resonate long after the tour ends. By crafting engaging narratives, fostering interaction, balancing profit with sustainability, collaborating with local communities, and applying eco-friendly practices, we can design nature tours that are not only memorable, but also contribute to the preservation of our planet. This is how we create a legacy of responsible tourism that benefits everyone involved. When it comes to marketing guided nature tours, the first step is to harness the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are visual goldmines for showcasing the beauty of nature. Post stunning photos and videos of your tours, highlighting unique landscapes and wildlife encounters. Use stories to share behind-the-scenes moments, and engage with your audience through polls and Q&A sessions. This not only builds a community, but also keeps your brand top of mind. Next, leverage TripAdvisor. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. A well-crafted review can be a game changer, as many travelers rely on these insights when choosing their next adventure. Consider creating a follow-up email after a tour, thanking customers and gently prompting them to share their experiences online. You can even offer a small incentive, like a discount on their next booking, to encourage repeat business. Influencer collaborations can also amplify your reach. Identify local influencers who are passionate about nature and ecotourism. Invite them on a complimentary tour in exchange for coverage on their platforms. Their authentic experiences can introduce your tours to a wider audience, and their followers are likely to trust their recommendations. Building a strong online presence is crucial. Invest in a user-friendly website that showcases your tours, includes an easy booking system, and features customer testimonials. Optimize your site for search engines with relevant keywords related to guided nature tours. This will help potential customers find you more easily when they search for experiences in your area. Sustainability is key in ecotourism, and scaling your business sustainably means being mindful of your impact on the environment. Consider small group sizes to minimize disruption to wildlife and ecosystems. Partner with local conservation organizations to give back to the community and enhance your credibility. This not only attracts eco-conscious travelers, but also sets you apart from competitors. Staying ahead of ecotourism trends is essential for long-term success. Keep an eye on emerging trends, such as wellness tourism or immersive experiences. For instance, you might offer guided meditation sessions in serene natural settings or workshops on local flora and fauna. These unique offerings can draw in a diverse clientele and keep your tours fresh and exciting. Finally, always seek feedback from your customers. After each tour, ask what they enjoyed and what could be improved. This not only helps you refine your offerings, but also shows your customers that you value their opinions. By implementing their suggestions, you create a cycle of continuous improvement that can lead to higher satisfaction and more repeat bookings. In summary, effective marketing in guided nature tours hinges on leveraging social media, TripAdvisor, and influencer partnerships while building a robust online presence. Focus on sustainable scaling and staying ahead of trends, and always prioritize customer feedback. By doing so, you'll not only attract new customers, but also cultivate a loyal community that will support your business for years to come.